Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about the filter function. So what is the filter function? So what it does is it returns some filter table or subset of table. So we are going to discuss in detail about this. So what is the syntax of that? So it is a filter function and it takes some input as a table and the expression you might ask, what is this table and what is this expression? So it takes a table, either it is physical or virtual table. So I will see. I would like to. I would like to explain what is physical and virtual table. So physical table nothing but something which is exist in the data model. So data model. Okay, this is the physical table, something we can see. Whereas virtual table, something we can create on the fly by using some filter function we can create some virtual tables. So that is limited to some particular calculation. So if you want to see that virtual table and in physically, so we need to create a calculate table and apply that table functions. So you're going to see in a few minutes. Okay, going to see in few minutes. And now, so you're clear with this table, physical and virtual table. And then what is the expression? So here the expression, it takes boolean, either true or false, true or false, true or false, true or false. Okay, true or false. So I have a table and I have some filter. Okay, that is boolean. This filter is applying on the table and it returns some filtered table or subset of table. Okay, as an output. So what it does actually, see this boolean expression, um, a table do row by row evaluation. This filter is evaluated in this particular table row by row. So so it's evaluated in by row, so it will degrade the performance. So better to use complex scenarios if you find if it's not possible other than filter functions like any other. We have multiple filter function, right? Okay. So if it is not possible with those filter function, better to go with better to go with this filter function. Okay, filter function. So it is not direct function. What does it mean by direct function? If you are using this filter function directly in the measure, it will throw the errors because measure will return single value, scalar value. Okay, single or scalar value. Whereas filter function, it will return a table or multiple columns or single column. Okay, okay. So to avoid that, we have to use this filter function along with some other function like calculate. So we are going to see in that as well. Okay, going to the that as well. So we're learning what is the filter function, what is the syntax, what it takes input, and what is the output. Okay, and what is the behavior of the filter function, so that when you get in a scenario where exactly this filter function will fit. Okay, so we're going to see one scenario. So the regional manager wants to see the total sales and that total profit. Okay, so you want to see the total sales and profit. So understanding. Okay, understanding the problem. So orders that exceed the sales value of 1,000. Okay, exceed the sales value of 1,000. Wants to find the total and profit. The sales exceed 1,000, and from a higher revenue state like such as a California, Texas, and New York. And also he wants to see that orders the states. These are the high revenue states. Okay, these are the high revenue states. That is California, Texas, also the New York. Okay. So what is the approach for do? Uh, what is the step by step approach to calculate these? First, first we need to create a table. Okay, we need to create a table for this condition, filter table. First, we need to create a filter table with this condition. So after creating this filter table, then we need to apply uh, aggregation. What you want, whether you want total sales, you can apply sum of sales. If you want profit, you can apply aggregate sum so that you can get. So Now we can apply aggregation on required field. So this is approach. So let me tell you how exactly we are going to find this. So so this is my original table. This is my original table. This is my original table. So I want to apply the sales which is 1000. Currently we have 51,219 rows. So I want what? I want what? I want what? Filter table. To do that, we need to apply, first of all, on the sales column, we need to apply the sales which is more than 1000. So where is the sales? Here is the sales. Let me clear this. Let me clear. Okay. I want what? I want what? More than. So is it greater than 1000, greater than 1000, greater than 1000. So now I can see. Okay. Now you can see if you are doing ascending order, you can see minimum value. Okay. 1000. Okay. Minimum 1000 is more than the 1000. So we have out of 21,290, we have got 2,626 filtered rows. Filtered rows. On top of that, we need to apply another filter. Okay, I want states which is belongs to California, Texas, and New York. So, okay, so go to the state column. Go to the state column. Go to the state column. Where exactly the state column is here? Where you can apply. Where you can apply Texas. Where you can apply Texas. Okay, where you can apply Texas, and also California, and also we need to apply California. So California, okay, add to current so existing, okay, and also California along with what you need to apply, New York, New York also, okay, New York also. Currently we can see in the state column. Earlier we can see about 2026 board, right? Now we can see after applying state filter, we can see only 94 records here. Okay, you can see the sales which is more than 1000 along with these particular states. Okay, along with this but Texas, New York, and California. I think California is not selected. Let me add. Okay, let me add California. Okay, add to the selection to the filter. Now we are getting, okay, 194 filter rows. So this is my filter table. So this is my filter table. On top of that, what we need to do? Aggregation. So now I got filter table. On top of that, we need to apply either sales or profit. So I want total sales, right? I want total sales. I want to apply total sales. So now I want this field total. So that is my expectation. So same thing we need to create by using measure. Okay. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay. Same thing I need to create a measure. So measure, measure. So high order sales, high order sales. To do that, what is our expectation? We have to create some filter table. This condition we have to write. Okay. Filtered. So what it takes? What it takes? It takes a table. So here the table was orders table, orders table, orders table. So what we need to evaluate? This condition. So this condition true and false. So we need to evaluate this condition. So we want sales which is more than 1000, and we want states. We want states which contains California. So I'm just copying all this stuff, all this information here. Okay, California. So California. So yeah, I'm just editing some. Okay, California, California, California. I need some removed. Okay, I'm applying. Okay, so what it returns? Multiple columns. Already telling, right? Already telling, already telling, already telling. By using filter function, it will return only filter function. It returns table, but measure expectation was scalar or single value. Okay, to do that, so that is the meaning by it's not a direct function. We have to use along with some other functions. Okay, I'm using some calculate function. Now what I get it now I prepared this filter table. On top of that, we need to apply some aggregations. To apply some aggregation, I'm using calculated sum sales. Okay, click on enter. Click on enter. Now we're getting some value. Higher order sales. So this is higher order sales, the orders which is exceeds sales 1,000, and also states from higher revenue states like California, Texas, something. So now this is the time for the debugging. So I want total sales, right? So I'm just dragging the sales here, sales here. Now I need to apply the sales which is more than 1,000. So I have sales column already. So I'm just dragging here. Already we have sales column. We need to, I'm applying some, okay, let me apply here. So it is greater than, greater than 1,000. Okay, I've got these much of sales. Now I need to apply on top of that states California. So let me take state column. Let me take state column here where I want st selected st California, California, Texas, Texas, along with New York. So, so this value is matching which what we are testing value. So this is correct. This value is correct. So far we are learning what is the filter function and what it takes and what it returns. Okay. So how it degrades the performance because it's showing row by row and on case study. Okay. On case study. So if you really like this content, please like it and subscribe it and comment it. So what kind of videos you want. Okay. So that I can do. If you really encourage me through your likes and subscribe, I will get more energy to do more such a kind of videos that is relevant to your needs. Thank you.